In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data to this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now choose Passwords and Security, click on Face Unlock over here and enter your current login method. After that you need to read the disclaimer, choose Start and wait 5 seconds. Then click on Next in this attention pop-up and follow all of the instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select Done and adjust all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Black Shark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!